Most cars don't last long. They start breaking down, begging for repairs, and eventually end up in the junkyard. But mine? It's still rolling strong at 700,000 miles. But how did I pull this off? What habits kept it alive while others gave up? Stick with me, because I did 17 things that changed my life forever. Now, before you think I'm some kind of car wizard, let me tell you the truth. I'm not a mechanic. I don't own a fancy garage full of tools. And my car wasn't some special supercar. It was just a regular car you could see in any neighborhood. The secret wasn't money or magic. It was habits. 17 small habits that I stuck with for years. Habit 1. Warm up before the run. Imagine waking up in the morning and being told to sprint full speed the second you get out of bed. You'd hate it, right? Your body would feel stiff. Well, cars feel the same way. Cold engines don't like being pushed too hard. So every morning, I give my car a little time to wake up. I'd start it, wait a minute, then slowly drive the first mile. Not racing, not flooring it, just gentle driving. That simple kindness let the engine oil spread everywhere it needed to go. People spend thousands fixing blown engines. Want to know the $30 trick that saved mine? Habit 2. Oil is life. Engines drink oil like we drink water. Without it, they die fast. So never skip oil changes. Every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, fresh oil went in. I also used the right oil, not the cheapest jug I could find. You'd be surprised how many people forget this and then wonder why their engine knocks or smokes later. My car never had that problem. Habit 3. Listen like a doctor. I treated my car like a patient. If it made a new noise, I paid attention. A rattle, a squeak, a hum. Those sounds were its way of talking. Many people ignore small sounds until they turn into big repairs. I learned to listen early, fix small problems, and save the car's health before things got ugly. Habit 4. Gentle hands, gentle feet. Some drivers slam pedals like they're playing drums. Gas pedal down, brake pedal smashed, repeat. I didn't drive like that. My hands were smooth on the wheel. My feet pressed gently, whether speeding up or slowing down. That calm driving kept the engine, brakes, and transmission happy for hundreds of thousands of miles. Habit 5. Clean car, clean heart. It may sound silly, but I washed my car often. Not just because I liked it shiny, but because dirt, salt, and grime eat cars alive. Rust starts small, but spreads like fire. By washing it, I slowed down the rust. A car's body lasting long means you actually get to enjoy all those extra miles. Habit 6. Fluids are more than just oil. Most people only think about oil, but a car has many fluids. Coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, each one matters. I checked them often. If one was low or dirty, I changed it. Fluids are like blood in different parts of the car. Keep them clean, and the car stays alive. Habit 7. Respect the tires. Tires are the only part of the car that actually touch the road. Without them, nothing works right. I always check the tire pressure. Not too low, not too high. I rotated them every few thousand miles. Good tires made the ride smoother and saved the suspension from early death. So try to invest in good tires. Habit 8. Don't cheap out on parts. There's a saying, buy cheap, buy twice. I learned this the hard way once. I bought a cheap belt and it broke early. After that, I only bought quality parts. Yes, they cost a little more, but they lasted way longer. In the end, I saved money in my car's life. Habit 9. Stay on schedule cars come with a book called An Owner's Manual. Inside, it tells you when to replace things. Spark plugs, belts, filters, and more. I actually read mine and followed it. That schedule wasn't random, it was science. Sticking to it gave my car a long, healthy life. Habit 10. Park smart. You might laugh, but where you park matters. I park in shade whenever I could. I avoided puddles. I stayed away from spots under trees that drop sap or bird mess. Why? Because sun fades paint, puddles rust the bottom, and sap ruins the finish. Little choices add up when you're aiming for 700,000 miles. Habit 11. Don't haul like a truck. My car wasn't a truck, so I didn't treat it like one. I didn't overload it with heavy stuff. Carrying too much weight wears out brakes, suspension, and the engine. I kept it light and fair, and the car thanked me with years of service. Habit 12. Brakes deserve respect. Brakes save lives, but they also wear out fast if abused. I never slammed mine unless it was an emergency. I slowed early and let the car roll to a stop. This made my brakes last much longer and kept the whole system in good shape. Why did a tiny crack in the windshield turn into a giant bill? Because I almost ignored this habit. Habit 13. Fix small things. Fast. A small crack in the windshield can turn into a giant split. A tiny leak can turn into a flood. I didn't wait for little problems to grow. I fixed them early. Small money now saved me big money later. Habit 14. Drive happy, don't rage. Angry drivers beat up their cars without even noticing. Slamming gas, stomping brakes, jerking the wheel, it all adds up. I drove relaxed. If someone cut me off, I let it go. My calm driving style gave me calm repair bills. Habit 15. Rest when needed. Sometimes long drives tempt you to push both yourself and the car too hard, but rest is important. On road trips, I stopped, let the car cool down, and gave myself a break too. That kept both of us safe and strong for the long haul. Habit 16. Use it or lose it. Cars that sit too long actually die faster. Fluids go bad, tires flatten, and batteries drain. I drove my car often, even short trips. Like exercise for the body, driving kept the car in shape. Habit 17. Love your car. This last habit may sound soft, but it's true. I loved my car. Not in a weird way, just in a thankful way. I was grateful it took me to work, to family, to adventures. That love made me care for it. And care is what made it live past 700,000 miles. You might be thinking, 17 habits? That sounds like a lot. But here's the thing. Once you start, they don't feel like work. They become normal, just like brushing your teeth or eating breakfast. My car wasn't perfect, and neither was I. But together, with these habits, we made something special. 700,000 miles of memories. Most cars die early because people don't treat them right. They're not patient. They skip care. They drive angry. Then they act shocked when the car gives up. But a car is just like us. If you take care of it, it takes care of you. And if you ever dream of your car lasting longer than anyone thinks possible, try these habits. So if you like the video, make sure to subscribe if you want your car to run more than 700,000 miles.